Hi friends, my name is Abhijit Burman. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how to change your Gmail ID name. So let's start. First of all, you go to your Gmail apps. Now you can see your top left side three line. Press here, come down, click on settings. Now you can see so many mail IDs. I would like to change my mail ID name Global Circuit Point Electronics. Click here. Now you can see your top right side three dots. Click here, click on manage accounts, click on continue, come down, click on Google. Now you should click personal information and privacy. Click here. Now change my name. Click here. Press enter your password. Now you can see pencil mark. Click on pencil mark. Now I would like to change my name like AB, last name Zit. Click on done. Keep in mind that you can only change your name 3 times within a 90 days period. Click on confirm. Now you can see my name is changed Abhijit. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel.